How to block a screenshot during video call on emo. Hey there everyone, welcome back to the SkyTech Studio. So if you want to stop someone taking your screenshot on the emo video call, then here's the settings that you can do. This will help you to keep your privacy super cool. But before start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so not to block a screenshot during call, you just need to open up the emo app from a device, and once you do that, go and tap on this profile icon at the top left. Now from the profile, simply go and tap on security and privacy, and from the security and privacy, go and tap on chat and call privacy. And once you're here inside this one, you'll get to see the block a screenshot for calls. You can go ahead and tap on these and get to see this will block the screenshot for calls. You just need to go ahead and enable this feature, and once you do that, you're pretty much good to go. From now, no one can take a screenshot during a video call of your emo account. Hope you find this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.